Wait, have you ever wondered exactly how you can start a profitable side hustle without quitting your full-time job? Let me show you exactly how I did mine in just 5 easy steps. Balancing a full-time job and starting a side hustle may sound impossible. Trust me, it is not, okay? Now here's exactly how I did mine. Step number 1, you have to understand that time management is key. So when I started my digital marketing business back in 2022, I work 9 to 5 job. I go to work as early as 7 and come back as late as 5:30 or even 6 p.m. some days. But I was still able to manage my time, do some of my business even before going to work. I wake up early, work on my business, go to work, and return to my business after work. Now, step number 2 is starting with what you are passionate about or doing something that will give a result of what you love or something you are passionate about. Now, let me explain this in detail, okay? To me, what I'm passionate about is money. All right, I don't know about you, but me, I'm passionate about money, okay? When I started my digital marketing, like sales, selling online, I might not like selling, I might not like talking to people, but I like the result that comes with it. I like money. When I sell, I have money. I love it when I have money to spend, to buy whatever I need, without the fear of maybe my money is going to go down or my account is going to run dry, okay? Because I already have business that give me consistent and predictable income every single day, okay? So to me, this is my passion. This is exactly what drives me to digital marketing. Now, in your own case, you have to find something you're passionate about or something you can do in as much as it's legal that will give you a result of what you love. The third step is leveraging on your day job skills. Now, some of you already have a job where you learn something like sales and marketing, communication, even graphic design, and many other things. Many things that are available online, something you can literally teach online and make money from it, right? So if you already have these skills or you've gotten this experience from your day job, you can leverage on this. Now, this will make your side hustle very easy and comfortable. Now, step number 4 is set clear goals and milestones. Many people want to start a side hustle, start making money, but they do not actually have goals. How much do you want to make every single month? How much do you want to be making every single week? Okay, so you need to have a goal. For example, at this my point in digital marketing or in content marketing, the least I'm expecting from my business every single month, like on a very bad month, I shouldn't be earning less than $1,000 or $2,000. Now, yours can be $200, $100, $300, $500, even $10,000. Okay, so it depends on your goals, but don't just come online to make money. Have clear goals and milestones. Okay, now step number 5 is reinvesting in your side hustles. Okay, now here is it. If your goals is making $10,000 every single month, but currently you're making $1,000, okay, the truth is what you're doing right now that gave you $1,000 will not be the same thing that will give you $10,000 every single month. Okay, what this means is you have to reinvest this money into this your business, learn new skills, and you need to take the money you earn from this your $1,000 a month business to reinvest it in a side hustle that will give you $10,000 every single month. Okay, so I hope you learn from this. So if you watch this video to this extent and you're not in my Make Money Online community, you are literally leaving money on the table, because people in my community earn between $10 up to $100 every single day. In fact, there are people in my community earning over $600 every single day. And all we do is copying and pasting Forex signals, nothing else, okay? And you can do this even if you're a beginner. I've actually recorded a step-by-step video training on exactly how you can do this from anywhere in the world, okay? Now, the amazing thing is joining this my community is free. I will not charge you until you start making money, all right? So all you just have to do right now to be a member of this my copy trading community is make sure you are following me, because this community is exclusive to my followers, okay? Then there is a link on my bio. Use that link to connect with me on WhatsApp and join the community, okay?